Hello, Northwest Oregon Tech Institute, concurrent ed teachers, that's who you guys are. Lindsay asked me to share with you some information about how to quiz with using Atlas, and so I wanted to show you a couple of different options that you can utilize. And so I'm just going to go ahead and switch over to Atlas here, go to my home page. So here we are within Atlas, and she had said that one thing you're interested in is having students identify anatomical structures. And so we have a really easy low-tech solution for you if you would like. And that what you can do is when we click on different things, maybe you're trying to, quiz your students on the different large bones in the body. What you can do is actually just move your screen over so that then as you're asking students the different images that they are not seeing the answers. So that's a super easy way to do that. You can have students number 1, 2, and 3. Now you may have specific views that you want to show your students and go through it, and rather than bouncing around, you can prepare your views ahead of time by utilizing our tour functionality. So to create a tour, you have to first create favorites. So depending on what you're quizzing the students on, you'd go in and you simply choose a view and then hit favorite. You don't even have to have any kind of anything marked. If you don't have anything marked, it's not going to show up. Then when we want to look at those favorites, we go here to our favorite view. So you can just go directly to that view that you just clicked. And you do have the ability to move around. So you can go to the favorites, or if you want to string a number of favorites together, then you can create a tour. So you go to the tour button and you create a new tour and you enter name for the tour and then you save it. And then you select the views that you want to have. So this is an example of where I've chosen smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, and skeletal muscle as some views that we're going to talk about. And so I hit done, and I now have my new tour that is set up. So again, this is a way that you can utilize. So if you're having students identify different organs, you can move over here, and you can move it around so that students can see different angles of it. You have that functionality. Probably stomach's a better one to show from the back side, right? So if you want to have students identify, and then you can move that over to go to the next, you just hit the arrow. And again, if you don't have anything selected, it's not going to show the identifying feature. So another thing that we talked briefly about, just to give you an update since I'm here, is that by clicking on this little gear icon, you can change the background from black to white. Another thing that Lindsay thought would be of interest is the fact that we have this available in 7 different languages. So I understand you have a large number of English is a second language, and so you can see here, so we're in Spanish, and we'll just click out of that. And so let's go ahead and click on here. And you can see here that when we click on that definition, that's all in Spanish, as are the pathologies. So if you have any other questions, always happy to answer. Also, as you're utilizing materials, I know Greg Pack had asked for information about the assignments you're developing. I would love to see what you're doing so that as I'm talking to different teachers across the nation and even the world, I can share your great ideas. So I hope you are enjoying Human Anatomy Atlas. We have some new exciting stuff coming out. We are going to be publishing a quizzing testing functionality that will have a grade book and the ability